Parañaque, having been born in San Dionisio, Parañaque. Paz is the second eldest among four siblings. He completed his elementary grades in Parañaque Elementary School. He is an Andrean, being a product of St. Andrew's School in Parañaque. He started his college education at De La Salle University. A classmate invited him to take the entrance exams for admission to the Philippine Military Academy. He passed the exams, but his classmate unfortunately was not so lucky. While at the PMA, he was known as Somar. In case you don't get the drift, that's Ramos spelled backward. He completed his Bachelor of Science degree at the Philippine Military Academy. He is a member of PMA D Malupig class of 1981. He was commissioned as a second lieutenant in the Armed Forces of the Philippines on 15 March 1981. His first assignment as a young military officer was to the Light Armor Regiment of the Philippine Army. He became Assistant Operations Officer of the Light Armor Brigade. He was a member of the Young Officers Union. You. Do you remember you?
Yes.
He became company commander of Alpha Company, 2nd Light Armor Battalion in Davao del Norte. He entered the Holy Apostles Senior Seminary in 1991. He was ordained to the priesthood by the late Jaime Cardinal Sin on 31 July 1996. He was assigned as parochial vicar, St. Anthony of Padua Parish, Singalong, Manila. He became director for spiritual formation of the Holy Apostles Senior Seminary. He became parish priest of Santo Cristo Parish. He is at present our parish priest. He served as vicar for reign of the Holy Family Vicariate. He served as acting director of Caritas Parañaque, Social Services and Development Ministry of Parañaque. He is the clergy advisor of the Commission on Services for Human Promotion, Vicariate of the Holy Family. Pad is very passionate about the implementation of the Diocesan Pastoral Assembly. He released a budget for the Parish Pastoral Assembly. Our parish had a record 660 attendees, the biggest ever in the Diocese of Parañaque. His battle cry, Adjournamento, Comunio, Lisio. PPCRB is another one of his advocacies. He also established the SINAG scholarship program. Pad is a family man. His family always comes first. Mondays, he goes home to his brothers and sisters in BS Parañaque, and almost always, that is non-negotiable. But tonight is an exception, however. He is an outdoors person and loves rappelling and rope climb. He is an avid supporter of Greenpeace, the global environmental watchdog. He is a couch potato during his free time, tunes in on CNN, CSI, Nat Geo, Discovery Channel, and MasterChef. He loves to discuss drones and other military gadgets and weaponry, and I get lost in translation. He loves good food. Among his favorites, and there are many, siomai, machang, hakaw, isaw, 1-day-old, durian, Big Brother hamburger, clams, oysters, pasties from bread talk, papaitan kambing, Kalderetang Kambing, Bagnet with KBL. For non-Ilocanos, that stands for Kamatis, Bagoong, and Lasuna. Lasuna is spring onion. He is compassionate with the staff. He is street smart, can adapt to street language. He is thoughtful. Full is Full. Thinks of a lot of stuff for stuff to do. He is also thoughtful. He brings pasalubong for all of us most of the time. He has a terrific sense of humor. His technical know-how has served him in good stead during times when the parish
nagagalak sa inyong inihanda ngayong gabi. Hindi ko po hindi karapat-dapat sa akin yung ganitong pagdiriwang. Dahil, ano naman yun, di ba? You raised me up. Dapat to patay na ako eh.
No.
This is just other plans for me. God has ways. God has wonderful ways. That's why every year that I would celebrate my priesthood and my birthday is another plus for me, because I don't expect to live in the now life during those times. But He has ways of calling me. He has ways of also revealing Himself to me. Ang parating tanong ko sa Diyos, why me? Yan ang paborito kong tanong sa Kanya, why me? Diba? Why would you reveal yourself to me? Why this celebration for me? It's just God's ways of showing His fidelity, God's ways of showing His love, and your way also of showing your gratefulness to our great Lord for this wonderful night. Totoo, talagang hindi madali magpaalam sa parokya, di ba? Kaya umiiwas ako. Hindi madali magpaalam sa parokya. Dahil kung sino man ang makasay na kura paroko sa pilar ay talagang inaalagaan at talagang minamahal. At mahirap pong umalis sa pilar. Dahil pag naranasan yung pagmamahal ng komunidad ng pilar ay talagang kung pwede nga lang umikot na lang sa ibang parokya malapit sa pilar at hindi aalis sa pilar. Kung pwede nga lang magpaalam sa obispo, na lang mag-retire. Ganun ho. Subalit, kinakailangan na magpaalam. At kinakailangan sundin ng Panginoon. Dahil ang Panginoon nag-uutos sa amin na kami iikot. At sa pag-ikot po namin, dala-dala ko at baon ko ang pag-ibig ng pilar, ang pag-ibig ng bawat isa. Kaya po mahalaga yung cellphone number ko. Text niya ako pagkatapos. Hindi ako sasagot. So, sa mga binanggit ho ngayong gabi, maraming salamat. Sa mga nag-kumanta, meron palang St. James, ano? Nadinig ko lang ngayong gabi ang St. James, o nadinig ko lang sa misa, sa ilang misa ang St. James Choir. Sa lahat ng umawit at nagsayaw, sa lahat ng nakilako at napatunay ang mga kalalaki na hanggang turo na lang. Ano pangalan mo? Hindi naman alam pangalan. Sa gabing ito, talagang ako'y nagagalak sa pagdiriwang natin ito. At meron po akong 5 buwan sa ating parokya. Bilang na bilang, no? 5 buwan sa ating parokya. At sa bawat araw, sa bawat sandali na ating pamamalagi, sana ito'y lalong magbunga ng pag-ibig ng ating Panginoon at lalong lumalim ang ating relasyon sa Kanya. Dahil ito po yung mission ko. Dahil hayaan yung makapasok ko ng langit, ano? Sabi ko kayo ng umaga, mahirap yung nasa labas ako ng pinto ng langit, pagbibilang sa akin ng Diyos lahat ng mga tagapilar na hindi nakapag-silver jubilee, di ba? Dahil hintayin siya ng Panginoon at pagbabantay ako sa pintuan ng langit. Sabi ko, taga saan ka? Tagapilar ko. Alam mo bang silver jubilee noon? Sabi hindi. Ako dapat alam mo. Ano sa inyo mga pasok? Dahil tunay, ang biyaya ng Diyos ay nag-uumapaw. At hindi po namin masukat, hindi kaya talagang sukatin ang pag-ibig ng Diyos. Totoo po yun, wala pang sumusunod sa akin. Ewan ko nga, siguro failure ako sa vocation, promotion sa PNE. Wala pa akong graduate ng PNE sumusunod sa akin. Wala akong maniwala na po pwede mangyari yung ginawa ng Diyos. Mula army, tinawag sa pagpapare, at ngayon may siraulong naglilingkod sa Panginoon kahit walang budget. Subalit masaya pa rin. At tunay ho, talagang hindi natin po pwedeng unahan ang Diyos. Hindi kayang unahan ang Diyos sa kabaitan,